Right, that's how it works. How I just took the whole back cover off my GoPro. This is what happens when you buy something this fucking cheap. Fortunately, it snaps right back on. There we go. Yeah, I don't have a mount today. I broke my mount. But if this is going to be as stuck as I think it is, then that's going to be fine. I know for a fact that you all would fucking shoot me if I didn't take a video of Japanese cotton works really good for cleaning phone lenses. If I didn't take a video of the bike, that was me. Let me see. Where'd I put my glasses, and does it really matter? I don't remember where I put my glasses. But, as you can see, it's starting to rain. It's a good thing that these things are somewhat waterproof. But I want to show you all just how fucking awesome this is. I still don't have rear brakes, so I'm riding dirty right now. Don't ride without brakes. It's a bad idea. Now you can actually see the speedometer on there. So let me back the bike up. Alright. Wasn't it me who said motorcycles don't go in reverse? They still don't. It was cold last night when I took it out. Look at that, ain't that beautiful? I let it warm up a little bit. I set the idle screw a little low. And of course it's running rich, so that's because the temperature is going to drop, and I'm actually going to need to ride it over the winter. So I bought it in the summer, and it had a 73 jet on there. I bumped it up to an 85, so quite a big jet by comparison. I also increased the idle jet to a 35 from a 33, on the larger end of standard for this big bore upgrade. But it was worth it. And before this takes any longer, because it is starting to rain, I want to show you all the performance improvement. So still don't have rear brake. But I got front, so that's good. Miles an hour, 34. $40 miles an hour on flat. Where this is exceptional is like right now, I'm obviously standing on top of it, is turns and overall bike stability. This bike was very difficult to run due to being underpowered. Now, I can stand up on it just like this. Hi! Now, she didn't recognize me. I grew up with her son. I can stand up on it just like this. Turn. You know what I'm saying? I'm at a quarter turn and I'm already going as fast as my top speed used to be. But that's why she didn't recognize me, because I'm wearing my helmet. That guy's parking. That guy's smoking weed. That's disgusting. I'm still not good at leaning. I get too scared. But I can turn without braking now. It used to be, I used to have to bring the bike down to like almost a dead halt just to turn. Now I don't have to do that because I'm confident that when I pull the throttle, I can make the turn. Even a 90-degree one like this, it's easy. All right, popping back in my house. Yep. There we go. What was a 30-mile-an-hour bike is now a 40-mile-an-hour bike. Is it a huge difference? Not in the top end, not the way you'd think. For anybody who's like even remotely interested about what I did, because I know I am, I know somebody else is, it's really, really strange going from something that you absolutely could not push, like it handled like a 50cc scooter. I gotta be completely honest. Now it handles like something more like a Honda Grom, except I can't choose which gear I'm in. So that kind of sucks. But all in all, I'm very happy with the job I did. I'm very happy with the results. I think this is exactly how I wanted the scooter to run, bike to run. This is exactly how I wanted the bike to run when I ordered it. Like exactly, like if I put in a little more power, I could see that. A little tiny bit, but it's so unnecessary and it's so, how do you say, like greedy, I guess. Something like greedy for me to even want that, because it is running exactly the way I wanted it to. So yeah, that's the bike that I built myself. Take care, everybody.